plank call, and I'm gonna make a smoothie. We're gonna head over to South Beach and go for a little walk. It's been like just so nice weather. We've just been wanting to go on walks almost every day. I think we also might stop at a restaurant called Motek. We're gonna go check it out. A little mini haul of everything we got. We didn't get anything too exciting, but we did get a few things. We got this bread to try. It's gluten-free, but it's sourdough. I love sourdough. We're gonna give it a try. We got some romaine, got some ground turkey, a bunch of bananas, some apples, some eggs, oats, and cauliflower. We got this ketchup to try. We ran out of ketchup, so we're gonna see if this one's good. They sweeten it with agave, so pretty interesting. Got some extra milk, some salad dressing. Hopefully it's good. I haven't tried it yet, so we'll see. Taco seasoning, these. That's everything.